Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. Now I just wanted to take a quick sec to remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell for new video notifications. And like the videos if you guys like the content I'm providing. And always comment on the videos. I love hearing what you guys have to say. So guys, I just wanted to put some things into perspective. With your Ripple XRP investment, you gotta hold long. This isn't a flash in the pan kind of investment. This is something that you're going to hold on to, really watch it grow and really watch the utility kick in before you decide to sell your position. So I just wanted to compare XRP as a digital asset that you hold similar to a security. I'm not saying it's a security, I'm saying similar to any other security that you would hold for a long period of time to make a return. And we always know hindsight's 20/20, right? Ah, damn, I should have invested in Apple when it was cheap. I should have invested in Facebook when it was cheap. I should have invested in Netflix when it was cheaper, but you didn't do it, right? You didn't do it for whatever reason. I mean, you may have not known about it, you may have been too young, you may have your reasons, and now you're kicking yourself in the butt for not doing it, right? So guys, in this video, I just want to put some things into perspective here. So, I've brought up the charts for Apple stock, Facebook stock, and Netflix stock over varying different periods of time. But as you can see, guys, the trends were magnificent. Just basically these stocks and these companies were so successful, and they have famously made early investors lots of money. So let's take a look at some of the numbers here with regards to these stocks and what kind of money these kinds of traditional stocks made, and how we can take a look at that and maybe compare with Ripple XRP. So guys, the numbers I'm going to take are going to be from, the beginning of a bull run up. So kind of, right kind of around the beginning of when a trend started to go up. I mean, you could have invested in Apple, for example, back in the 80s and not really made much money, or even worse, invested in 1984 when it was at 41 cents. And dumped all your stock when it hit $4.75. I think I did a video on that weeks ago. And that would have been terrible because, that just would have hurt a lot. Especially, had you just waited a few more, maybe a decade longer, and you would have made 100 times more your money. Nevertheless, or 200 times more your money, actually. Nevertheless, let's not think about that. Let's talk about these kinds of numbers before the bull run. So I'm going to take August, we're in the beginning of August right now, 2018. So I'm going to just take, these charts are on a monthly, by the way. I'm just going to take the month of August, 2004, which was around here. Okay, Apple stock was trading at around $2.51 a share. And then by today, August 2018, we're seeing Apple trading we're seeing a high of $208.38. Okay, Facebook stock, let's look at Facebook here. Facebook right here back in 2012. When Facebook was announced in 2012, I do remember my wife saying, hey, shouldn't we get some Facebook? I said, you know what, there's not enough information on the chart right now. I don't know if I feel comfortable buying Facebook. So I was one of these people back in 2012 that didn't get into Facebook early on, and I could have, and I would have, and I should have. And yes, now I'm kicking myself. Nevertheless, there are more opportunities on the horizon. But let's look at the numbers. August 2012, Facebook trading at $22.45. By August 2018, we're looking at a Facebook price, and I know it's dipped a bit, but now we're looking at a Facebook price of $176.79. Guys, Netflix, another big one here. Okay, had you gotten into Netflix in August 2009, we're looking at a Netflix price of $6.67, okay? And now Netflix here, August 2018, we're looking at $345 price for the Netflix stock. Okay, it's dipped down a bit too, as you can see, but guys, we're not taking perfect highs and perfect lows. We're just looking to see what our investment would have made over a certain amount of time. So the stock market's been traditionally a great way to accumulate wealth for the wealthy. But let's take a look at some of these numbers here, okay? So I did the calculations, and from August 2004 to August 2008, Apple would have made, and I'm not going to do a percentage increase this time, I'm just going to do 83 times its money, okay? So from $2.51 to $2.08, that's 83 times. Facebook, from August 2012 to August 2018. Now, obviously, guys, these are different kinds of time frames. So in different time spans, these companies did different amounts. But let's say 2012 to 2018, 2245 to 176.79. Guys, that's 8 times your money. Okay, so in 6 short years, you could have made 8 times your money. It's a pretty good return on investment. Netflix, 2009 to 2018, it went from $6.67 to $345 a share. And guys, that is a whopping 52 times your money. Now, I averaged all these numbers out, and as we can also see, I've averaged the time lengths out. So let's talk about the time lengths first. So this is a 14-year span. Okay, this is a 6-year span, and this is a 9-year span. And that worked out to be roughly 9.6 years. So if we say 9.6, so 9.5 would be roughly February 2027. So March 2027 would be roughly 9.6 years. And I average these increases out. And I know this isn't a huge sample, guys, but I just wanted to use this just to give you an idea of what these numbers would be if it were the stock market, and what you could kind of expect if it were the stock market. So 83 plus 8 plus 52 divided by 3 is 48 times your investment. Whoops, 48 times your investment. Okay, so what would that bring XRP? So let's say we're new to the game. XRP was a stock on the stock market. You could expect to get a 48 time return in 9.6 years, and these are kind of the big hitters. Like this is huge returns for stocks, okay? As we know, historically, these stocks have done really, really well. So what would that bring XRP in 2027? To be honest, the number isn't that high. And this is why I say cryptocurrency is very, very different than the stock market. The returns are way higher. As you guys know, we've seen thousands and thousands % returns on Bitcoin and other altcoins. So guys, a 48 times return on XRP would bring it to a measly $21.12 in 9.6 years. Now guys, do you really think this is realistic? Or do you think we'll see something way higher by the year 2027? Think about it, guys. Brad Garlinghouse has already said that banks will be using Ripple and XRP by the end of 2019. So that's just over a year away, okay? I don't think it's going to take this long for the number to get to a measly $20. I have a feeling the price is going to increase way sooner than that. Anyways, guys, tell me what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.